Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Vanguard affiliate partner requirements for USA, full guide step-by-step clearly. To verify Vanguard affiliate partner requirements for the USA, begin by visiting the official Vanguard website. Navigate to the footer of the home page. Look for the link labeled Affiliates or Partnerships. Click on the link to access the affiliate program overview. Read through the information provided about the affiliate program. Identify the specific requirements listed for potential partners. Typically, look for eligibility criteria, which may include geographic location and business type. Check for any minimum traffic or audience size requirements. Review any necessary legal or financial disclosures that may be required. Take note of any specific application process outlined on the page. Next, locate any contact information for the affiliate program team. Consider reaching out via email or phone for clarification on any ambiguous points. Gather any documents or information needed to support. Prepare a summary of your audience and online presence, as required. Complete the application form if available. Submit your application and await a response from the Vanguard affiliate team. Follow up if you do not receive a response within the specified timeframe. Once accepted, review the affiliate tools and resources provided by Vanguard. Stay informed about any updates or changes to the affiliate program requirements. This will ensure continued compliance and your success as a Vanguard affiliate partner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.